Hello everyone, hope so you all are safe and sound. Welcome back to another new video. In this video I'll show you how to install apps from unknown source in Honor X5D. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.